Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys a few things that I picked up that I think are just essential for spring. Even though it's still really cold here in Minnesota, it's supposed to be back in the 30s and 40s, and that really sucks, but regardless, I'm just preparing for warm weather. So I have a ton of like fashion items, and then I also have like some other stuff too. So I'll get to the clothing later. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I picked up a few things from Target. The first things are these masks right here, and these are the Neutrogena face masks. I got the Hydro Boost and the Deep Clean. These are actually only $2.50, so I thought that wasn't a bad price. I decided to just pick up one of each and give them a try. I will be posting like my thoughts and stuff on my Snapchat, even though I feel like nobody uses Snapchat. And I'll also be posting in my Instagram stories as well, so make sure that you are following me on there. Then I also picked up the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. So I do have a daily moisturizer, but I feel like it's not hydrating enough. And because it's still really cold here in Minnesota, I wanted one that was a little bit more hydrating but still lightweight, and this one is exactly that. So I decided to just pick this up, and it was only $8. Next up are some perfumes from Scentbird. I've talked about Scentbird before on my channel, but if you guys don't know what Scentbird is, they are a monthly subscription website. So I decided to pick up a few philosophy fragrances because I think that the smell and the notes are just perfect for the springtime. Some are floral, but I feel like they're just really fresh scents. So it comes in this little velvet sleeve right here, and you can tie it if you want, and you can easily throw this in your purse. So it comes in this really sleek packaging. All you have to do is twist it, and you can spray directly like this. And you can also just pop out the container right here and switch them out. And this one is the Philosophy Pure Grace fragrance. I really like the colors of these. Next up is the Philosophy Amazing Grace Ballet Rose, and I think this one is the one that I'm really excited about. I feel like this is something that I usually gravitate towards. Next up is the Philosophy Pure Grace Nude Rose. I feel like this one is perfect for everyday wear, like if you work in an office or something. This one is so light, so fresh. And I feel like all of their fragrances just have a really fresh scent, which I really love. And then the last one is the Philosophy Amazing Grace. This one isn't something I would typically gravitate towards, but I feel like it's worth a try. So if you are interested in Scentbird, I do have a link and a coupon code down below, so make sure to check that out. Next up are two books, and I decided to just throw them in here because I haven't been to the bookstore in a few months, so I decided to pick these up right here. And I got the Mastering Mindfulness by Kim Davies because I have been trying to practice a little bit more mindfulness, and I feel like mindfulness is something that's so easy to do, but sometimes you're just so busy and you're just so caught up in life, and you do forget to just stop and smell the roses. So I decided to pick up this book for some quiet time reading. And then I also got Calligraphy Made Easy, and I also picked these up from Barnes & Noble. So this one was only $9.98. I've always wanted to learn how to write calligraphy like really nice. I feel like I have decent cursive, but I just wanted to learn a little bit more calligraphy. So anyways, moving on, I got the Desio Central Beauty Lens. I actually haven't worn contacts in a really long time, and these are in creamy beige. I feel like my eyes are just so dark that contacts don't usually show up on me, and so I feel like Desio lens are the only ones that really show up on my dark eyes. So I decided to just try out another pair just for fun. Alright, so moving on to like fashion items. First off, I went to Marshall's and I did pick up a few things. First is this top right here. It's kind of like a crop top, and the bottom kind of crisscrosses. I feel like it sits perfectly right below my waist. Next up, I got these pants, and these are kind of like palazzo pants, or I feel like, no, these are like gaucho. I think that's how you say gaucho pants. I think I was like a freshman in high school, or yeah, I think I was like a freshman in high school, and gaucho pants were like the thing. I love that gaucho pants are back in style. I've always loved them. I just love how easy they wear, and you know, you don't really have to worry about sucking it in. You don't really have to worry about, you know, keeping a good shape with them. They're just so easy, so flowy. Next up are another pair of like loose flow pants. I have been really addicted to these kind of pants. These ones are black, and I think these ones are a little bit high waist. I think they sit like right at my belly button. I think that they're going to be perfect for the springtime if you just want to pair it with like a simple tank or a simple bodysuit and just wear those, and you kind of look put together. Next up, I picked up a few things from Fashion Nova. I picked up another duster coat. Let me know if you guys prefer like try-on hauls. I feel like I probably should have done a try-on haul, but whatever. I'll try to post a picture. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I guess the fabric's a little bit like cheaper than I thought. I thought it was going to be better fabric, but you know, what can you really expect from Fashion Nova? I can't be too surprised. I wanted to get more dusters with like a really nice collar. Next up, I got some bodysuits, and I got this one right here. This one is the same bodysuit as the black one that I got in my previous haul video. But yeah, I got this like mauve color. And they're not the greatest quality, but I feel like they're decent for the price. I think these are only $10. I feel like it's not terrible, but you definitely get what you pay for. They're just really nice to throw on. Then I got some bodysuits, and I'm telling you guys, these are so cheap, like bad quality, that like I can't even be mad, because like I said, you can't really expect much from Fashion Nova, but you know what, they get the job done. And I am wearing the black one. It is super see-through, so I feel like if I wear the white one, even when I wear like nipple covers, you'll still be able to see the nipple cover, and it's just gonna look like I have these huge areolas. It's pretty much just a tube top with like the cheapest strings, but I do like that they are thong, so you know they won't show like if you're wearing high-waisted jeans or anything like that. Next up is another pair of loose flowy pants. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be rocking these kind of pants all spring and summer. It is like the slinky material, which I don't know, I guess I don't love it, but I don't hate it. They are really comfortable. I feel like with the slinky material, sometimes it can just look all bunched up in your crotch area, and it looks like you have a diaper on. I got another pair of those kind of pants, of course. I like the color of this one right here. You know, I've just been getting pieces that are really easy to put together, really easy to wear, really easy to style with anything, and just kind of building a wardrobe capsule. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video on that, like just how I'm building a wardrobe capsule for myself and also for my husband. I've been doing the same thing for my husband. And then the last thing from Fashion Nova that I picked up is this jumpsuit. So this one is actually the same one as the black one that I bought in my previous fashion haul video, but I love that one so much. I got that in a size extra small, and since the color is black, I feel like it's a little bit more forgiving if it squeezes a little bit. But I really wanted the gray one, and I picked this one up in a size small. And I forgot to mention, I did pick up some heels from Marshalls as well. And I picked up these Jessica Simpson pumps, and these are just so cute. They're probably not the most comfortable, but they're so cute. They're the perfect shade of pink. Like, I had to get them, and you know, I do plan to wear them. I love the heel height. I think that's not too high, so I feel like they'll be easier to wear versus, you know, like 4-inch heels with pointy toe. So I think these are about 3 inches. All right, next up, I picked up a few things from H&M. So I've been trying to build my kids like their spring and summer wardrobe, and so I've been doing a lot of shopping at H&M. So I picked up these tank tops right here, and these are their basic tank top. So these are only like 2 for $10. In case you guys didn't know about the H&M recycling program, if you bring in old clothes, 3 or more pieces, I always keep a bag of like 3 old t-shirts in my car in case I go to H&M. But yeah, if you bring in a bag of old clothes, they give you a 15% off coupon. So that's what I did. Yeah, this is just a plain black one. This one isn't that long, which I like. I like shirts that sit below my belly button, and this one, it just is perfect. And then I also got the taupe one as well, so I feel like this one would go really well with jeans. Next up is this like oversized t-shirt. It's like a t-shirt dress, or like a shift dress, I think they're called. I think it's perfect for the spring and the summer, and even for winter time, because I can just throw on a pair of leggings with them. I think that this would be really cute with a pair of sneakers or with a pair of really cute sandals. And again, it's so easy to throw on. It's one piece. And of course, I had to get the same one but in a different color, and I got this beautiful blush color. I think this one is probably gonna be my favorite dress. I think I'm gonna wear this one a lot this summer. Next up, I just got some super basic like t-shirts, and they're almost crop top, so they're not too long but they're not too short. It's just the perfect size. I think it'll go really cute with high-waisted jeans because I don't like showing a lot of midriff. And then I got the white one to go with it as well. They were having a big jewelry clearance, so I decided to pick up some pieces. This one was only $5, and it was also like an extra 30% off of their clearance, I believe. I've been wanting some really like cute and dainty jewelry. I got these really cute rose gold hoops, and I got these long gold earrings. I just love simple, dainty, long earrings like this. And then the last piece of jewelry is this necklace right here. And this one has like a rose gold tint to it. And the last item are these boyfriend pants right here, and these are from H&M as well. So these ones, I don't love the button up like this, like, you know, when you have to pee and like I tried them on and 3 buttons have to be unbuttoned for me to get it off. These are the Boyfriend low waist, and I got these in a size 25. I'm usually a size 26, but these are really baggy. I wanted them to be a little bit more fitted. I think that they'll be cute. I feel like these look like mom jeans. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you made it till the end, thank you so much. You are the real MVP. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!